Hello guys, so I am here at the airport right now and I am waiting for my flight. I am going to Manila because I have a very important appointment to attend to, and I actually booked my flight last month pa. And then I know a lot of you can relate to this kasi I booked my flight last December pa. The purpose of my flight is to travel to go to Manila because I have an important appointment, an important meeting, work-related, business-related siya na meeting. Now, 2 days before the flight, I received an email from the airline company telling me that my flight has been changed. Na-move siya to 2 days later. Eh kapag na-move yung flight to 2 days later, it will mean na hindi ako makaka-attend dun sa appointment. Sa very important appointment na kailangan kong puntahan. So mawawala ng silbi yung flight ko or yung travel ko. Mawawala ng purpose yung travel ko if I comply or if I follow the new schedule arbitrarily set by this airline company. When I received the email, talagang I was shocked and I immediately responded yung platform nila where I could lodge my complaint. As much as I don't really want to be mad or to be angry with the situation, it is arbitrary kasi because there was no prior notice. And of course, kaya nga ako lilipad ng Manila because I have to attend to this very important meeting. And imagine 1 month before pa ako nag-book. If it happened to me, most likely it already happened to a lot of people. So, yun lang muna ang aking makikwento for now. While I'm waiting for my flight, I will bring you along with me. Let's do this together. Very quick trip lang naman tong mangyayari. Few days lang because nga, as I have mentioned, I just really have to attend to some important work-related matters. Ready for takeoff na ang plane.
At the arrival car.
Yes, hello. I just arrived sa Naiya. So I have already booked my hotel naman way ahead of time. So my next agenda is to go there. Chill lang tayo ngayon. Chill lang sa ating Manila trip. Yeah. All right. So I just arrived sa hotel where I am going to stay for the duration of my quick trip, and I arrived earlier than my supposed check-in time. So I'm trying to see if I can check in early. Congrats guys. So nakapag early check-in tayo guys.
Size pagkaya itong cold.
Hi again mga friends! So, pagpahinga na ako, I was able to rest this afternoon, and because gabi na, I decided na mag-food trip. Samahan niyo ako and let's enjoy, let's have fun together! Hello! So, dito tayo ngayon sa Binondo. Tingnan niyo friends, napaka-bibo. I'll show you Welcome to Binondo. Hello, I am here in Binondo right now. Let's see kung anong meron. It's Chinese New Year and people are celebrating the Chinese New Year. So let's see, no? What they have to offer for today. Ha? Magkano po to? Hello, 25. Squid diri. Ha? Isa. Go. Happy Chinese New Year from Ong Pin. Sao. So I'm walking along the street of Ongpien because ang daming tao dun eh. So I had to take a different route. Ayan. Naghahanap na lang kami ng makakainan for dinner. Tingnan nyo ang haba ng pila. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Jones Bridge. Hello! So, as you can see right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jones Bridge. Lumabas tayo ng Chinatown kasi sobrang puno. Napilitan po tayong lumabas kasi nga hindi tayo makahanap ng makakainan. So, hahanap tayo ng another place to eat. So nakalabas na po tayo ng Chinatown. Napakaraming tao doon kasi nga Chinese New Year. So, andito po tayo ngayon sa Cafe Adriatico. Cafe Adriatico. Ayan. So, dito po tayo mag-dinner.
For the soup, French onion soup. Tapos for the steak, Cafe Adriatico. Ang dami. And then, yung itong mushroom and tomato omelette.
Balitan